To harness in your baby, first place the shoulder straps over the baby's shoulders, then adjust the harness height by pulling up on the tab on the top of the head support to raise or lower the shoulder straps. Once you've done that, take each buckle tongue, connect it to the crotch buckle, pull up on the harness straps, tightening the straps around the baby's thighs or hips, attach the chest clip, and then from the front of the seat, pull tight till the harness is nice and snug around the baby. The harness is snug when you can't pinch any harness material at the collarbone.